Hello everyone, welcome to English Nexus Online Institute. So today we will talk about present continuous tense. As you can see, today we will study and learn about this tense, that how we can make these sentences and how we can understand the concept of present continuous tense. So here we have first of all the Urdu recognition, that how we can understand that this is a present continuous tense if we see the sentence in Urdu. So very basic concept that we need to understand, that if you will see the last word of the sentence like raha hai, rahe hai and rahe ho, and if you are getting the concept of these words, then you will be able to understand and recognize that this is the present continuous tense. For example, वो खाना खा रही है, and this is the sentence, and as you can see the last word of the sentence रही है, it means present continuous tense. This is the basically. So I think this is very clear to you. And now let's move toward this some important concept that is very important for us to make any sentence of the any tense and any, we can say, the structure. So first we have structure of the present continuous tense. So subject plus, here we have the auxiliary words, we can say, and we can also say then that this is the helping word like is, are, am, plus verb first form of the verb but with ing. This is the very important thing that we need to understand and learn. And then last, object. Now what is subject? Subject can be I, we, you, he, she, it, they, or any single name, we can say single name like we can say Ali. And what is verb? As we all know that what is verb, it can be swim, eat, because here we are talking about the present first form of the verb. That's why I'm writing only first form of the word: swim, eat, read, write, sleep, jump, and cook, like this. And what is object? Object can be anything. It can be any noun or it can be any, like this. For example, if I say food, if I say water, if I say pen, like if I say biryani. On the other hand, if I say that class, so etc. like this. And if we talk about that, with whom we can use is rm in this tense, like is we use basically with the third form of the verb, sorry, third person, like he, she, it, any single name. As you can see, and are we use basically you, we, they, and plural names. Am on we use with only I. And now let's move toward the example. Now I think we will be able to make the sentence of this tense, present continuous. Now let's start. If I write the Urdu sentence for the Urdu recognition, then with the help of the Urdu recognition, I think you will be able to understand very better. For example, if I say that मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. As you can see, I said the Urdu recognition रही हूँ. It can be any like this, रही हूँ. So मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. I am. This is the first form of the verb, but I will remove, as we all know, when we basically add ing. So I am. This is the subject. This is the auxiliary verb, and this is the first form of the verb with ing. So these are very important components that we need to understand in present continuous tense. So I am writing. मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. Book. So this is basically the noun, but here we are not analyzing the part of speech. Here basically we are focusing on the structure. Like subject is our verb, first form of the verb plus ing and plus object. Object mean to say that here it is the object. This is basically the structure. Second sentence, if I talk about, if I say that तुम क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो, and this is the Urdu recognition of the present continuous tense. Raha, rahi, rahe. This is the basically a sign of continuous tense. But here, if we talk about the present continuous tense, then you will be focused on not only rahi, rahe with, but also ho, rahi, rahe ho. This is the basically recognition. Rahe ho, rahe हो. तुम क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो. You are playing cricket. As you can see, this is the subject, auxiliary verb, first form of the verb with ing, and this is the object. And if we talk about the last one, so this is basically, if I say that she is cooking biryani. And as you can see, this is basically the third person. This is auxiliary verb, and this is third person, and this is the subject. This is the auxiliary verb first form with ing plus object. So this is all which we discussed today. So if you really like the video, then please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.